Naging palaisipan kung sino ang tunay na ama ng sanggol na ipinagbubuntis ni Andy Eigenman. Ngunit isang pangalan ang matunog na tumutukoy sa pagkakakilanlan ng sinasabing ama. Si Albi Casino, na dating nobyo ng aktres. Isyong kailangang harapin. Tanong na dapat sagutin now. Sa isyu ng pagbubuntis ni Andy Eigenman, ano ang naisiparating ni Mrs. Rina Casino at anak nitong si Albi? Nang pumutok kasi ang balitang nagdadalang tao si Andy Eigenman, siya agad ang pinagdudahang ama ng dinadala nito. Pero sa kanyang pananahimik, hindi ba siya bothered na siya ang mas pinupulaan ng publiko?
It's fair in life, di ba? It's really not fair. So, pero I can't do anything about it. I can't fix that.
Lalo pang nabahira ng masamang imahe si Albi nang mapabalitang sinasaktan umano niya si Andy noong magnobyo pa sila. Kaagad namang ipinagtanggol ni Mrs. Rina Casino ang anak.
I really don't need to defend myself. I really don't need to defend myself. No offense to you guys, but the press will make it look like what they want it to look like. If people don't think I'm a nice guy or not, because I know I am. I like to think I am. You know, my friends know I am, diba? So that's enough for me, diba?
If only people will know, yung anak ko, pinalaki ko na God-fearing and to not hurt anybody. Meron siya siguro magdadabog, pero mananakit, hindi. Hindi yun ang anak ko. Oo.
May isyong nais umanong ipalaglag ni Albi ang batang dinadala ni Andy.
Kasi hindi. Kasi God-fearing nga yung anak ko eh. Takot siya eh. Diba? So, hindi. That's not my son. Hindi naman pumatay yung anak ko. Anong kasalanan ng anak ko na para, diba, na i-judge nila ng ganon?
Ngunit hindi itinatanggi ni Ginang Casino na totoong iminungkahi nilang sumailalim sa DNA test ang mga taong sangkot to determine the unborn child's paternal history.
Sa akin lang kasi para, para matapos na, di ba? Masettle na. Tuldukan lang. Ang sabi ko nga, kung positive, we will take responsibility. Mahirap naman for the mom and for us.
Having learned what Andy's camp had to say, may balak pa ba si Albi na makipag-ayos sa mga ito?
I don't really know what they said. My friends just go like, "Oy, nagsalita si ganyan." Talaga? Wala, I don't want anything from them. If they want something from me, sila pumunta. I really don't want to say anything against them or anything about them. I just rather not talk about them, honestly.
Sa gitna ng kontrobersyang ito, ano ang mahalagang aral na natutunan ni Albi?
Choose wisely.
Kasama rin sa pelikulang Aswang si Jillian Ward, kung saan kakaibang papel ang ginagampanan nito. Aswang ba ang role dito ni Jillian?
Hindi po, isa po akong batang makulit na hindi po napupo sa kuya. Pero minsan naman po nagpupo. Please!
Fact check! Richard Gutierrez nagsalita na sa isyong kinasasangkutan ng Utol at Ina. Fact check! Sa pagbalik ni Richard from shooting Survivor, inabutan niyang hot copy ang kapatid at ina. Si Rufa nadadawit ang pangalan sa hiwalayan John Lloyd Cruz at siya Ina Magdayaw.
Sa mundo ng showbiz talaga hindi mo may iwasan yung mga intriga. My sister is facing it head on. So, she knows that we're here for her. She knows that we love her and we support her. I think kahit anong problema ang meron ng isang pamilya, basta magsama-sama kayong pamilya, lahat malalampasan.
Habang si Annabel naman ay warlang-warla versus Nadia.
My mom is very tough. She's very strong. She's, she has a strong character. I called her a few times while I was away. I told her na, whatever your decision is, we'll be here for you.
Pinakikialaman mo ba ang nanay mo sa mga isyong pinapasok nito?
Minsan, I give her my 2 cents. I give her, what I feel about the situation. May mga ibang situation naman na for me hindi na dapat pinalaki or hindi naman dapat nag-react.
Excited si Chard dahil just in time ang pagbabalik niya sa birthday celeb ni Annabel.
Yun lang yung hiningi niya sa akin na sana I can make it in time for her birthday party. And andito ako ngayon. I'll get to hug her and kiss her, and I think yun lang ang hinihintay niya ngayong gabi.
At syempre, excited din sa pag-air ng bagong season ng Survivor na may mga buwis-buhay moments raw, literally.
Madaming mga life-threatening incidents kaya may mga na-rush sa ospital, may nakagat ng ahas dahil nga by partners, by pairs. So maraming mga drama, maraming mga twist na mangyayari. Masusubukan talaga yung tibay ng partnership ng bawat castaway. And at the same time, we have a better location. Mas maganda yung location namin this year, mas pristine yung waters, mas maganda yung beach. At I think visually mas maganda yung Survivor this year talaga.
Fact check!
Mga kapuso sa Singapore at US, may big events kayong dapat abangan. Makasama nyo ang Eat Bulaga Dabarkad si Tito Vic and Joey at GMA Pinoy TV bukas October 30 sa Demarque Mall, Singapore. At bukod pa dyan, hatid din ng GMA Pinoy TV si Mark Bautista sa California. Nasa Stockton siya on October 29 at Fresno on October 30. Magbabalik ang Star Talk TX.
Saan nakakarating, as long as may events at happenings, hindi natin yan palalampasin. Rampage! Stop disease, wash your hands. Kaya naman bago rumampa, inuna namin ang Vaseline Global Hand Washing Event last October 14, 2011 sa SM Music Mall, MOA. Second on the list, ka-join si Tim Yap as the new ambassador of Berlani Foundation via their Rise Up campaign held at 4055 Yagi Street, Makati. Next, L'Oreal Professional Color Trophy Event, Beauty Original. This year's Color Trophy paid tribute to everything pure and wild that nature has instilled. Sabay segue sa Privé Club The Fort for mega fashion show launch of 2 new products, Mega.Style.ph. Both are must for fashionistas and for celeb followers. Sarap at home press con and cooking demo ang next gen. Sarap at home and friends for its 4th season by San Marino Corn Tuna held at Discovery Suites, Ortigas. Then go sa iShine at Acting, ProMill Preschool and Trumpets Play Shop happen at STI Center of Arts The Fort. We're also invited as Sharp celebrates annual Dealers Convention. The event marked the start of celebrations of Sharp Corporation, 100 years in the business, and its 30th year anniversary in the Philippines last October 20 yan at Shangri-La, Makati. And finally, Pediasure Plus PressCon last Thursday